doing these sheets. I'm trying to do these sheets. And guess what? They got stained. And do you want to know why they got stained? Would you like to know why I stained my sheets? These are the culprits. Down over here to the ground. Jeepers. Jeepers creepers. This is unacceptable. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. I'm angry. And this is your fault. It's always your fault.
Click the link down below to follow my Cameo, where I will make a special video just for you. We can also message each other too. Link below.
Your fault. Oh, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. What are you looking at me for?
Not because you're attractive. Not because you're attractive.
I'm calling corporate. They ain't picking up. Corporate always picks up for me. I have them on speed dial, and Teresa knows me by name. Teresa, she's the case manager for the customer service, because I'm all about customer service, because I know more about customer service than you think. All these people on my channel, millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions, fake news, cheapers. It's time to do inventory once and for all. And we're gonna close this door so the snails don't come slithering under the rug. So we're gonna do a little inventory now. Oh, hello, shine bright like a diamond. Excuse me, there we go. These are all from Walmart. Now, there's a little more echo in here. Do you wanna know why? Because my pillows got pooped on. I pooped on my pillows by accident. Walmart. 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 Target. Oh, this is your fault. It's always your fault. I didn't ask for a Target. It's your fault. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, I'm calling corporate once and for all. I'm angry. Very, very upset. But guess what? I know how to dance. Do you want to watch me dance? We can watch me dance. Because I know more about dancing than you think. So, without further ado, hit the music.
It hit my phone! It's a bitch! Potato felt like?
No, but I told you not to say that.
No, hurt me! Stop being a
I told you.
you!
I told you.
What else the people?
That was a real.
You threw a potato at me? A raw potato at my ankle? What if you broke my ankle?
So apparently, I'm supposed to be eating potatoes. I'm supposed to be eating potatoes. Because apparently they are low in calories and high in potassium for my water weight. Because I have been diagnosed with having fluid retention disorder. So, I got a potato. Actually, I got a whole bag of potatoes. I will have one of these a day. Potato. And I'm starting to look like a potato. This is your fault. Because I keep eating all this salty food. Yum, 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 yum. And guess what? I also got these flowers. These were free because I was a Karen at Costco. And that's exactly where I got my potatoes. Apparently, have you read the nutrition facts of these? I think not.
You can't read either!
I can read.
No, you can't!
I'm gonna throw your flowers in the trash.
That's where they belong! Right next to you!
First of all, I don't even fit in the garbage disposal bin. And second of all, you're the one that's gonna go to the trash.
That means I'm not gonna end up in the landfill like you are.
I'm not going to the landfill, imbecile. I'm having potatoes, I'm having flowers. Potassium, potassium, potassium. Did you know these are high in potassium? The doctor said to eat it.
Don't eat my flowers! Spit out the flower! Spit out!
Oh my God, it's working. Fiber, I feel the fiber moving. Here we go, I feel it moving, you little ant. You are an ant. You are a small, small ant. Because I know the doctors will. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Big fat bumblebee.
You want the potato? I'll give you the potato in a minute. But apparently, I know my doctor's watching. He says to eat your flowers. There you go, Dr. Measles. At least I don't got the measles like you with your liver spots on your bald head. So anyways, I'm gonna get going. I'm going to Dairy Queen.
You have no business going to Dairy Queen.
I do because I'm hungry.
How about you go to a gym?
Shh! Gyms don't make me full and they don't satisfy my hunger. At least for food. Okay, I'll be spying on that gym. I'll be spying on that treadmill. I'll be spying on that elliptical going up them stairs. I spying on the weights and I spying on the benches. I spying on the leg press when they bend over to pick up their little socks they wears. And I love the gym because I spy with my little eye. All these people walking around and they have all these great little crowds and I know what I should do. Because if I don't have fiber, I won't go poo. So you guys, thank you for watching. I'm angry. And I'm gonna eat all these potatoes because the doctor said they're healthy. Actually, Orlin, make me a potato. Come here, make me a potato. Make me a potato, 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 make me a potato. My potatoes are good. They're nice and spotty like the hood. Don't touch my potatoes.
You literally look like a potato.
My potatoes.
You have the body of a potato.
Says the living, breathing potato head. You are Mr. Potato Head.
And you're shaped like a potato.
It doesn't matter. Am I? Comment yes or no. Am I shaped like a potato?
At least I don't look like a thumb.
That's mean. That's ugly. Make me a potato. Make me a potato. Make me a potato. Make me a potato. Bam! Yay! You guys, oh my gosh. We have a feast, and I have to be honest too. Some of this is Zaxby's, and this is Dairy Queen, and we're gonna compare the two. I'm so excited, you guys. The last time I had Dairy Queen, it was so long ago. It's been like 2 years. And so I'm just like, I want a feast. So their onion rings are very, very good. Super crunchy. And I have a Reese's Blizzard. You guys know I don't eat sugar, ever. Oh my God. If you've never had a Blizzard, they turn it upside down to you when they give it to you to show that it's been, oh, this is Reese's peanut butter, oh.
Click the link down below to follow my Patreon for mukbangs and drama not allowed on YouTube. Must be age 18 or older, link below.
Diabetes. Oh, this is what diabetes. You know, I don't have diabetes. Because I don't eat. Oh, I'm kind of freaking out right now. I'm kind of freaking out. Oh my god, I never eat like this. Let's do some cheese curds. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh my god. And I have Coke and this is a treat, you guys. I never eat soda either. So these are the French fries. They're really buttery. My first impression was, oh, average. And then I start chewing it and they taste really buttery. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Okay. I'm gonna compare it to Zaxby's French fries. Zaxby's is bigger, thicker. Yes, Zaddy. Oh. But also slightly drier, like potatoes in your mouth. These have more like soft and buttery. Okay. These cheese curds are from Zaxby's. Oops. Now we're gonna try Dairy Queen. You can see a difference. Dairy Queen has more seasoning, it looks like. Let's try it. Oh. Ooh. The cheese tastes better. Let me show you when I open one. This is what it looks like. Ooh. They're like mini mozzarella sticks, you guys. These Dairy Queen cheese bites. Oh. These are good. Ooh, yeah, the cheese. I notice a difference in the cheese. The cheese tastes better. The Zaxby's is good too. Zaxby's is good too. I like Dairy Queen cheese way more. Way more. I would hope so. It's the Dairy Queen. Oh my god, I'm the Dairy Queen. Okay. Here are my soft pretzels. They kind of broke in the car. So, soft. And they give you this cheese cup over here. It comes with a little lid. Don't make things go flying. Oh, that's right. I remember. Dairy Queen has such good cheese dip. Like, their cheese dip is amazing. Oh, it's still steaming. Ooh. I would hope so. It's the Dairy Queen. Oh, it's like a little nacho spice. Try some of this. Try this, you guys. Ooh, you want to have a bite of my dingly daggly cheese? It has like this. Ooh. So I purchased 25 cents extra for some ranch. I remember their ranch being very good from Dairy Queen. Oh. That is one of the best. Oh. That is one of the best ranches ever. So last time I had Dairy Queen, they gave it to me in a little cup, kind of like Zaxby's, which I have here because I want to compare. This is Zaxby's ranch. Zaxby's ranch has more of a vinegar flavor. It's smoother. It's very good. But the Dairy Queen ranch, I don't know what is in here, but it is good. Good. Oh, this ranch, oh. It almost looks clumpy too. It looks like feta cheese or ricotta cheese type of ranch. Kind of like Shake Shack's ranch. It's kind of like an Alfredo almost. That is worth 25 cents. Now, it tastes better when they gave it to me like this than like the cup. Last time they gave me a little cup with, had a seal, a plastic seal, you pull it back. This time, they gave it to me in that. No complaints, that's really good. Okay, this is my favorite cheeseburger from Dairy Queen. It's called the Fahrenheit. It is spicy, with like 2 types of cheeses and bacon and double the patty. It is good. You should see my wrapper when I was trying to take this out for you. Oh, the wrapper is just covered in like this Munster cheese, spicy cheese sauce. I mean, look at all the cheese that just kind of pulled at the bottom. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like a, they know dairy at Dairy Queen. Like with the other wrapper, I literally licked it. When I was doing this thumbnail, I was over behind the camera, so like licking it like a dog. Their cheese sauce is good. Trying to get this cheese. Okay, let's try this sandwich. Double cheeseburger. It's spicy though, but it's like a good spice. Look at that. Oh, I feel it in the back of my throat already. Here I go. Oh. Dairy Queen has such good food. Oh. That is so good. That is good. I like this more than Wendy's and Burger King because it's soft. It doesn't harden up. Oh my god, Dairy Queen, please sponsor me. This is not sponsored by Dairy Queen, by the way. You guys! We love cheese. Dun-dun. We love cheese. Dun-dun. Oh. We love cheese. Dun-dun. Yes, we do. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Oh. Sing with me. We love cheese. Dun-dun. We love cheese. Dun-dun. We love cheese. Dun-dun. Yes, we do. We love cheese. Dun-dun. Oh, we love cheese. Dun-dun. I got diabetes. Dun-dun. Oh, yes, I do. I do now. Oh, I love Reese's. I love this whole meal. I love life. I love you. Man. Dairy Queen's got some good cheese curds. Definitely better than Culver's. Dairy Queen is so underrated on the computer. Dairy Queen is so, like, no one does Dairy Queen mukbangs ever. I think a lot of people don't know the type of food you can get there. A little more Zaxby's fries. Oh, those are good too. Zaxby's is a good restaurant. You know, I do have chicken. So the reason why I keep having Zaxby's on the side is because I order all this Zaxby's and I change my mind. I'm like, you know, I haven't done Dairy Queen for a year. I'm just going to do it. See, one of the reasons I don't do it often on YouTube is because it's not popular. It's kind of like a, what came first? The chicken or the egg? What came first? The rainforest or the rain? You know, have you heard that one? Yeah, the trees came before the rain. You know that? Excuse me, trees make their own rain. Want a rainier climate? Plant more trees. They'll pull up water from the groundwater with their roots. It'll evaporate in their leaves. It'll create an overcast, and the cycle will start. Anyway, Dairy Queen, no one does it. No one asks for it. No one. I don't care. I said today, I'm like, I want to do what I want. This is one of the best meals ever. Last time I did Dairy Queen, I was in heaven. In heaven. And their ranch is so good. Ooh. Their meat is good. Everything about this place is good. The customer service, they said hello, they said thank you, they said hi, how are you? Good people work here. Let's put in the gloopy cheese. Look at that cheese. Oh. Do you know Dairy Queen? We love cheese, da-dum. We love cheese, da-dum. We love cheese. Dum-dum. Yes, we do. Cheese and ice cream. French fries and Reese's Blizzard. When I was a kid, I used to say Reese's. I used to go, Reese's Pieces. Only children say it like that now. Sometimes adults do. It's like a habit. I used to be like, Reese's, I like Reese's. And people are like, it's Reese's. It's not Pieces. It's Reese's Pieces. I can't talk sometimes. Ooh. You guys. This is the Zaxby's. Can you tell the difference? Zaxby's, Dairy Queen. Zaxby's, Dairy Queen. Can you see the difference in the balls? Look real close at those balls. You'll see a difference. Their ranch is phenomenal. It reminds me of cheese. It reminds me of cheese. I need to eat here more often. I don't even like soda, and this is hitting the spot. This meal is outstanding. Their double cheeseburgers, you wouldn't think, are better than a lot of regular fast food that you're used to. I've been saying this since I discovered that Dairy Queen even served food. Mmm. Let's put the meat and the cheese. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. I just snorted. That's how this is. I like. Mmm. I'm going back to pretzels. I love soft pretzels. The first thing about Nikocado avocado, he loves soft pretzels. I mean, come on. Ooh. Have a bite. Go on, lick that cheese off. Mm. Mmm. I have so many cheese curds. I feel so lucky to be able to eat all this. Like a king. When I quit mukbangs, this is my last month. This is in the top 30. Maybe even my top 2 weeks, my last 2 weeks on YouTube as a crazy mukbanger. It's good. Mmm. That cheese. Now, I make sure to have my fiber, okay? So everything's regulated. It helps thin out the fat, thin out the sugar. I mean, fiber and water. They're great for, kind of, well, I'm not a professional, so, but for me, excuse me, fiber makes me feel so much better. Just like I have a big old plain, not even ranch dressing or anything, because this is so fatty, all this. Just some spinach, raw baby spinach, and I'll just eat it handfuls. I actually like it. It's very pleasant. It kind of like neutralizes, I feel like keeps everything, my blood a little cleaner. Not being shady to Dairy Queen or anything. I just want any kind of junk food I eat. Because it's still fast food. Oh. I do like Dairy Queen more. The flavor of their cheese curds. This cheese is so good. I like to put a little of the ranch. You guys buy the ranch. Hopefully it's this type. It's like an Alfredo. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm eating like a pig. I'm barely even talking to you guys. Oh. Oh.
The Dairy Queen was the place to go when I was a kid too. Not for the food. I never even ate the food at Dairy Queen. Everyone just goes for the ice cream, which is really good. My friends, when they would finish like soccer practice or baseball practice or whatever kind of sport, everyone would like go drive to the local Dairy Queen and everyone would have ice cream. To celebrate all that running around and sweating and getting dirty, everyone used to go to the Dairy Queen. Bringing back good memories. You guys, I can't even right now. This cheese. This ranch. It reminds me of like a whipped creamy ranch. Like, you know when something has air in it? Like whipped cream. Yes, it has the consistency of whipped cream. Not the flavor, but the consistency. It tastes very whipped. With like little pieces of like clumps of cheese or something. Dairy. That's why I'm like, it reminds me of like a homemade Alfredo or something. It's so good. I'm not even exaggerating. Everything stays so hot at the bottom. Don't lie. Ouch! It burns my fingers. Look how that keeps hot too. That's really good quality cheese. That's some good quality mozzarella. Zaxby's does not do that. I don't think I can pull. I can't even pull them anymore. Yeah, that's Zaxby's. Dairy Queen wins. Cheers to some water. I just turned this off. I got some cold water. I'm so sorry if I ignored you in this video. I just went to town. I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, why am I like so excited? I think because it's like kind of like, it brings back memories from when I was a kid. And I didn't do the sports, let's make this clear. One time I did tennis as like an elective. Big mistake. Do you know how hard it is, tennis? You have to run and coordinate and swing. It's hard. Tennis is not easy. Anyways, no, I don't do sports at all. But I had friends that did. And I used to go to all their sporting events and stuff, and afterwards everyone would go get Dairy Queen. So it's kind of making me think of like when I was a kid and teenager, you know, under the age of 18. And I also think because I don't do this often on YouTube, it's so exciting to me. Their cheese curds are amazing. Their ranch is amazing. Okay, let me tell you what really stands out to me. Their Fahrenheit cheeseburger, I mean, I would go for it again. Excuse me, but I really don't want to overeat too much. Like, oh my God. Please get the Fahrenheit. It is so flavorful. The beef tastes so, I mean, did I try their other cheeseburgers last time I ate here? I can't remember. I'm one of those people that if I like something, I just keep getting it over and over and over. I highly recommend their Fahrenheit. I highly recommend their cheese curds, and I highly recommend ask them at the window, is your ranch, you know, in a pouch that you peel back the plastic it's already made, or is it this type of thing where they pulled it out of the fridge? Or what? I saw them, they pulled that out for me. They're like, it'll be 25 cents. I'm like, okay, sure. Whoa, did I make a good decision? That really stands out to me. All of their dairy, I mean, if you like, not dairy, if you like ice cream, and this is called a blizzard, which is kind of like a milkshake / frozen ice cream. It's like a frozen ice cream dessert. They have frozen ice cream cake, like Cinderella shapes and lots of Disney stuff. Highly recommend. They make the best. Their French fries are fine. I don't think, I'm very picky with French fries. They do have a buttery taste. Now, if these French fries were like the KFC French fries, oh my God, I would be screaming about this restaurant even more. Or if they were seasoned. If these were seasoned like Checkers makes the best French fries. If they had Checkers French fries, I would never go to Checkers again, because that's the thing that pulls me there the most. Their cheese curds, I like their pretzel. It's not the best in the world. But a soft pretzel is a soft pretzel. To be honest, I can't tell you what the best in the world is. I've had Cheesecake Factory Shishi pretzels where they're like $50. And I've had Annie Ann's at the mall. And I've had pretzels from... I mean, they all kind of taste the same. If you like soft pretzels, they have them. La Fast Food does not offer pretzel. So that's also why I'm really happy. Their onion rings, I'll be honest. My preference is the soft, greasy, doughy Buffalo Wild Wings. Beer battered. They're soft, they're thick. Has a little crisp, but not really. That's my type of onion ring. Some people like really, really crunchy. You'll like these. They kind of remind me of the Sonic. Yeah, they kind of remind me of the Sonic onion rings. And I don't really care for the Sonic ones. You know, oh, a good onion ring, Red Robin. That is that's the best of crisp, crunch, not too hard, not too soft, greasy, not too dry. Red Robin. I don't know what the heck they do, but their onion rings are memorable. These are not. So I would never go to Dairy Queen just for this. And their French fries again. I'm very picky with French fries in general, but they have a nice buttery taste. But the more I kind of like, here's how you know if you really like something when you're full. I'm full right now, so some things are kind of like, ugh. Like the French fries, I'm like, ugh. But then again, it's also not as hot, but still. Whereas if I have a cheese curd, like I'm full, but I still know that's good. As Britney Spears says, Pepsi is Pepsi. What do you mean Diet Pepsi? All Pepsi, and Pepsi's Pepsi. Well, I don't know if you like the cherry flavored or the regular Pepsi. Check out that interview with Britney Spears. Remember, she got sponsored by Pepsi. Every time you saw her, she had Pepsi in her hand. She had it on her shirt when she used to show off her belly. That was a big thing in the 1990s, like a belly shirt with her little belly ring or whatever. But she was sponsored the heck by Pepsi. And it probably made a lot of people buy it, let's be real. She was just like an icon to just like something that a lot of people, not everybody, but a lot of people kind of went, oh, like drooling over. And I liked Britney Spears as a kid. I thought she was very pretty. I liked her music. It was poppy and easy to sing. It wasn't hard songs. Anyway, I remember I even had a poster on my wall of Britney Spears with the Pepsi. I don't know where I got it from. You know, McDonald's used to give out posters. Can you believe it? McDonald's used to give out CDs. I remember when NSYNC and Britney Spears made a McDonald's exclusive album on CD for McDonald's. Do you remember that? How many guys are around my age? I'm 28. Oh, NSYNC and Britney Spears made McDonald's CDs. And they made special songs. You had to buy it at McDonald's. I mean, McDonald's must have paid them seven figures. Worth above 10. Well, maybe not that much. Maybe not that much. Especially back in the day. Over $1 million, but maybe under 10. They probably got a good amount of money for working with McDonald's because everyone goes to get their CD, but they have to buy something to eat because they smell the food and it smells good. Anyways, speaking of Pepsi, there's a really famous, a really funny interview of Britney. He was Tucker from Fox News. She was interviewed by him. He looks so different. Anyway, and he was like, so you're sponsored by Pepsi a lot. Do you even like Pepsi? She's like, oh yes, I love Pepsi. Oh, I drink it all the time. I love Pepsi. Like, it looks so obvious. She's trying to like prove herself or make a narrative here. Oh yeah, oh I do, oh I do, oh I love Pepsi. Yes, I love Pepsi. And he's like, well, what's your favorite type of Pepsi? Oh, just regular Pepsi. He's like, regular Pepsi? Oh no. He was like, what's your favorite type of Pepsi? And she's like, my favorite type, Pepsi's Pepsi. Well, he's like, well, I mean, do you like the cherry flavor or the vanilla flavor? And she goes, oh, just regular Pepsi. And she's chewing gum like a horse in the interview. I don't know where her publicist was. Like, take out the gum during this interview. I mean, maybe that's part of the brand. Kind of like edgy and teeny, you know, kids like to chomp on gum. That makes them feel cool. And obviously she's trying to appeal to teenagers, right? Or young adults. I don't know what her appeal, I don't even know, but that's a really funny thing. But yeah, their Pepsi's good. It's regular Pepsi. Pepsi's Pepsi, but it's still really good. That's fine. Oh my gosh, I feel so full. I feel like I gained, you guys, I've gained a lot of weight recently. I actually, when I walk, I feel like a new lump in my thighs. And like right under my butt, like the lower part of my butt, like the butt cheek, like I feel it's tighter in my underwear. I'm like, it's having to like stretch over more area. I'm like, so I like walk, I'm like, I feel like there's like something in my pants. No, that's my skin and my water weight. It's just water weight. Water retention, listen. Until you, in case you're worried about me and my health, it's just water. I'm a dietitian. They say 90% of it's water. I need a lot of salt and carbohydrates, which you retain water from doing so. I overeat those things all the time. It's true, but still, my weight is getting out of control because when I walk, the middle of my legs rub in ways they never rubbed, and the back of my butt, it feels like the underwear's not fitting anymore, and I'm kind of freaking out because I'm like, I already wear 2XL t-shirts and 2XL shorts and 2XL underwears. I do not want to get into the 3XL. Like, that would be a wake-up call. Like, Nick, it's time to make sure this water gets flushed out. I feel like I gained... Well, I did a juice cleanse for 4 days, and I feel like, I don't think I slowed my metabolism that much because I was still drinking a lot of calories. I wonder if I kind of rebound and like put on I should weigh myself actually. I haven't weighed myself since my last day of oranges. I only had orange juice for 4 days straight for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to help cure my stomach. And before you say I'm ridiculous and crazy, oh, sugar, diabetes, look it up. It's a thing. There's books about it. There's the grape cure, the orange cure. Doctors have recommended it for diabetes and shrinking tumors and cancers even. Like there's a doctor out of Florida that literally put everybody for skin conditions, inflammation, like osteoporosis, arthritis, inflammation, the orange, everything would, but it's case by case basis, but a lot of it worked. Anyways, I've tried it a few times in the past when I'm feeling like I'm really sick with something. Or one time in Colombia, I had really bad acid. I'll say this fast because a lot of people have already heard this. I had really bad acid reflux. It would prevent me from sleeping. I tried Tums. I tried Pepto-Bismol. I tried every type of medicine and this and that. And special diets. I did the rice banana bread. It's the nurses. It's like the bland diet. It's the nurse diet. What's it called? I forget. I tried different things and it wouldn't go away. The orange juice, I did it for 7 days, went back to eating, went away, never came back for over a year, almost 2 years. Anyways, a couple weeks ago, I started developing really, really bad stomach pain that would last constantly, and I don't know why. And I got immediately after eating something really spicy, back to back with other spicy, and I feel like it kind of made a hole in my stomach or an ulcer or a rip or a cut or something. I don't know. And nothing, I stopped eating. I started eating non-spicy foods. I started eating like more vegetables. I slept longer, nothing helped. I did the orange diet for 4 days. My stomach no longer hurts. And I had spice just yesterday. This is spicy too. I had spice yesterday, I had spice the day before. So it's like a nice little temporary, I mean, whatever's bothering you might come back because you're still doing the things that might contribute to what caused you in the first place. It's kind of like a little band-aid, like, okay, there's a little reset for you, a little body reset, and it might last you a couple months, but anyway. Why am I even saying this? I don't know. Oh, because I want to update you. My stomach feels fine. Yeah. It's really amazing. That's why I decided to share it on YouTube, because things like that people don't understand, and they'll be like, oh, you're a quackery, or oh, you're going back to the vegan ways, the raw. You know, I don't believe in veganism long term anymore. I definitely do not. I definitely think raw food is really powerful, and I feel like it could be a big part of people's lifestyles if they like it, if it works for them. But not 100%. You know, I think maybe animals product once a week or something to kind of maintain a lot of different things. But I believe in the power of healing with fruit. I've lived it so many times, even as a mukbanger. And I just would feel kind of like weird not telling people because it's so magical. Like, it works for me. And I'm like, no one knows this. I feel like it's like a little secret that I kind of want to share with the world. And The Grape Cure is one of the books. I knew a girl, I met her in person. She had stage 3 or stage 4. I think it was stage 3 brain cancer. And her parents started researching. They were really freaking out. Obviously, they're like, chemotherapy. And I don't want to sit here and tell you not to do chemotherapy. It's not my place or whatever. But they chose not to. And they put her on a raw food diet. And they took out all chemicals in the house. They stopped burning candles. They stopped burning incense. They took out all the air wicks. They took out all their laundry detergent. They started washing everything with vinegar and baking soda, which works just as well, by the way. I was just talking to someone that works in the bedding industry. Did you know fabric softener does the opposite? Fabric softener is this horrible marketing thing. It makes your clothes stiff. And, well, what it does, it puts a different charge, like a positive or negative charge on the towel, for example, that it no longer absorbs the moisture, so it doesn't dry you off as well. It kind of masks the clothes, and it's horrible for your linens. Anyways, they took out all these things. They took out perfumes, deodorants. They used like a natural, like, they just took out anything that was chemically abrasive. I don't know if she still used toothpaste, probably, but it was temporary. But they did it, and she also, the biggest thing they said was her diet. She stopped eating cooked food. She stopped eating everything. She stopped eating everything, and she shrunk it down so much. The doctors were kind of shocked. They're like, we've never seen this before. And she kept doing the diet, and she would go in to check in, and she shrunk the things away. It took like a month or a couple months, 2 months, 3. I can't forget how many. I really can't. I don't remember how many months. I remember when I talked to her. Well, she has some interviews on the computer. She went back multiple times because you're supposed to. If you have cancer, kind of monitor it. And it's never come back ever since. And this was 7 years ago. I don't think she's still... No, she's definitely not a raw vegan anymore. I don't even think she's vegan anymore. To be honest. I mean, the odds are against her. But it can be such a healing thing, fruits and vegetables. And again, I am saying this as someone who's just kind of sharing a story. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not a dietitian. I'm not a doctor. I'm just telling you what I hear, what I've seen, what I've read, what I know. And I'll also tell you what I've done for my digestive issues. My really bad heartburn, my really bad acid reflux, and then recently my really, really bad... I don't want to self-diagnose. I don't know what the heck it was. I really don't know, and I don't want to know because it will really scare me. But I've never been in that much pain as a mukbanger in my entire life. I mean, I've been doing these eating shows for 5 years. This was a first. And it was excruciating, and it lasted constantly. I couldn't even eat. And it's gone. So, I believe in this because it's worked for me. But... I promise I won't keep talking about... This happened like 5 days ago, so it's kind of fresh on my mind. I'm talking to the people in the future that find this video. Hi, you're probably watching this in 2022. Hi, it's February 2021. My life is crazy as usual. My life is always a mess. This food was so good. I highly recommend this restaurant. Oh my God, so good. I mean, this is on my top. For that cheeseburger, for the cheese curds, for the ranch, for the pretzels, for the sweets. I try to keep the sweets to a minimum. I think that's also truthfully why I don't have diabetes. I drink a gallon of water a day, and I really don't eat Like pure, straight up fructose. I'll eat things that turn into glucose, you know, when the body breaks it down, whatever, you know. I eat carbs, complex carbs and stuff, but in terms of like straight up sugar mixed with fats, like chocolates and candies and donuts and brownies and cakes, I avoid them, and I also don't even like them. They make me feel really sick. So anyway, just throwing that out there. Highly recommend this. I'm actually feeling really good. I'm feeling like content. I feel like I could go to sleep. Oh, this was excellent. I had such a time. I had such a good time eating this Rio. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I got so silly. I feel like it's a little food coma. I'm like, ooh. It's kind of hitting me. Ooh. It's like when you drink a lot and you're sitting down, you're like, more. Oh, I'm fine. Keep it coming, keep it coming. And then you get up to walk to the bathroom and you're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's happened to me a few times. I'm like, oh, I'm like Brittany. Oh yeah, I'm fine. Oh yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm totally fine. Oh yeah, I'm sober. Oh, just very, very sober. And then I get up to go pee and I'm like falling into people. That's what I feel like. I'm getting food coma over here. Ooh. Anyways, you guys, I recommend that. I feel like I'm repeating myself again. I recommend this. Go have it. And I'm gonna go have a big old bowl of raw spinach for. I know it has oxalic acids. I know there's anti-nutrients. I know I'm not even gonna absorb a lot of the nutrients because it's raw. I get it. By the way, that's a thing too with the raw vegetables, more so than fruits. Vegetables. It's hard. Listen, I know a lot about nutrition. I know more nutrition than you think. I know more about nutrition than you'll think. I really do. People think I'm stupid. I know a little bit. I know some. I'm in a feel-good moment right now. This was so good. And I'm going to say goodbye because I'm repeating myself. Woo! Woohoo! This was great! 2 good videos back to back. Yesterday, I did Long John Silver's and I was crying. I'm gonna go back. Can I go back like this week? Can I go back? Well, tomorrow is the, when's the Super Bowl? Is today the Super Bowl? Oh my God. No, tomorrow's the Super Bowl. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow, okay. Is today Saturday? I don't even know date. I don't even have my phone in here. I would ask Siri, but she'd lie anyway. I'm pretty sure tomorrow is the Super Bowl. So tomorrow I'm going to do Super Bowl food. I've never done a Super Bowl mukbang. I'd love to kind of celebrate. Go Tigers. Woo. Go Jets. Blue Jays. Ravens. Woo. Yankees. I don't know anything about sports. The Cubs. The Tigers. The Bears. Oh my. Go, go, go. You know, people fight over their teams. It's so weird to me. Have you seen people get into fist fights because their guys are losing and their guys are better? Well, oh, but those people playing the field don't give a rat's behind about who you are. You're over there getting yourself thrown into jail for assault and battery. For who? Someone that doesn't even know who you are. They don't even care who you are. It's so weird. Oh yeah, and it's just like most of the people who are like really into sports, I should be into sports because I fit this category, are like non-athletic. They're super obese. They're super overweight. You know, I should be the biggest sport cheerleader because it's so ironic. I couldn't do the most basic diddly dangly thing that they're doing. You know, it's like, what do you know about exercise? What do you know about throwing balls and running all here and there? Oh my gosh, it's always so funny to me. very, 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 very unhealthy people. You know, big beer guts. Again, I should totally be this totally stereotype here. You know, they're the biggest rah for these sports. Have they even tried doing, like, do they even know what it feels like to, like, run? It's like, what? It's so funny. And then they're over there beating up people on the bleachers because they're not cheering on the same people they're cheering on. It's so... I guess humans have always been this way. Gladiator. Well, do people beat each other up in the bleachers during the gladiator times? I don't know. It's weird. Like, what? People get so attached to it. Just like, you know, they say don't talk about politics, don't talk about religion. Don't bring up sport teams. You're gonna make Uncle Joe really upset. I'm agnostic. I'm Jewish. You know, Mom, I'm going Jewish. Like, rah, 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 rah. Mom, I'm atheist now. Rah, 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 rah. Mom, I realized I am a young conservative. Rah, 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 rah. Mom, I'm actually going to be Democrat now. You know, like, these are the things you don't want to bring up. Hey, Mom, I don't root for the Tigers now. I root for the Yankees. Rah, 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 rah. They get so attached. So attached. I mean, let people be who they want to be. I feel like I'm talking too much. You guys, I'm gonna get going. This was amazing. Goodbye. I love you. This was yesterday and today. This is like back-to-back goodness. Back-to-back goodness. So, I feel so good. So good. I'm gonna sleep great tonight. Alright, bye. I don't even want to leave. I just want to chill. I feel like, you know, when you're all buzzed out, like you've had like 3 packs or something, you're like, ooh. You've had 2 glasses of wine, like it just, you feel a tingle from head to toe, and you're just like, ooh. That's what I feel right now. I feel like, ooh. 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 Ay, ay, ay. I feel like woo doo doo boo. I feel like woo doo doo doo. 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 Woo boo 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 boo. Okay, I'm really. Goodbye. I'm gonna waddle my way out of here. Holy moly, and there's stuff between my legs. I feel I gained weight between my legs. Like my thighs are rubbing places they never rubbed before. It's just water weight. A big thank you to my patrons for supporting this video. For more mukbangs and other content not allowed on YouTube, join my community over on Patreon. Must be age 18 or older. And for something more personal, get a video from me directly on Cameo, where we can also DM each other and chat one-on-one. So if you want more content from me, come follow my Patreon. But if you just want to talk to me through Cameo. Both Patreon and Cameo are linked down below. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.